all, welcome to Healthy Sizzle. This is Sindhuja Sriram. Today I'm going to share a healthy, light and an easy millet combo recipe for those busy weekdays. Let's dive into our first recipe, which is Barnyard Millet Tomato Pulao. Here we go with the ingredients. Soak about 3/4 cup of Barnyard millet. Wash it, drain and soak for about 20 minutes. The soaked Barnyard millet is ready now. To a pan, add in 2 spoons of ghee, an inch of cinnamon stick, a star anise and about 3 cardamoms and saute it well. To this, we are going to add finely chopped onion, saute it well. Now to a mixer grinder, we add in 3 tomatoes, we juice it and the pulp is now added to the sauteed mixture. Let it cook for some time. Now we add in ground ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Saute it well till the raw smell goes off. We add in 1/4 spoon of red chili powder and a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well, let it cook. Add in a spoon of salt, of course as per your taste. Now add in 1 1/4 cup of water. Let it come to a boil. Add in a handful of chopped coriander leaves. And finally add in the soaked Barnyard millet. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes in low flame. Now the rice is ready after 7 minutes. Now your yummy tomato pulao is ready to be served. Serve it hot. The second recipe is Barnyard millet carrot pulao. The ingredients remain the same except for tomatoes. We add in 2 grated carrots. Now let's soak the Barnyard millet about 3/4 cup and let us cook it for a while for about 5 to 7 minutes in low flame in about 1 1/2 cups of water. Now the cooked rice is transferred to a bowl and set aside. To a pot we add in 2 spoons of ghee, a cinnamon stick, a star anise and of course 3 cardamoms. Saute it well. To which we add in a finely chopped onion and 1/2 spoon of cumin seeds. Mix it well until the onion becomes translucent. Add in ground ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Let the raw smell go off. To this we add 1/4 spoon of red chili powder and turmeric powder. Mix it well. To which we add in 2 freshly grated carrots. Gently mix it and a handful of coriander leaves. Add in a spoon of salt. Mix it well. Now cooked millet is added to the mixture. Gently mix it. Squeeze in the juice of 1/2 lemon, mix it well, and your yummy carrot pulao is ready to be served hot. A healthy, easy and quick Barnyard millet combo is ready for those busy weekdays. Enjoy! Do let me know your suggestions and also comment and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you.